Guys, let's prepare ourselves kasi nga may gagawin tayong vlog ngayon and it will be like a whole day tour dito sa Bacolod City. So, I'm trying to be a tourist for one day in my own city. So, let's do this. Let's prepare ourselves. Going to bring outside. So, meron tayong DJI microphone, sunglasses, of course, hindi mawawala tong headphones. I have my perfume para di tayo mabaho. Of course, the very important kasi mag parang magsa-sunbathing na tayo nito sa sobrang tirik niyang araw. So, you need to take a sun block. And of course, meron tayong deodorant, watch, and some accessories for my DJI. So, ayun. So, we put some socks. Dahil mabibilad tayo sa araw ngayon. So we are heading now to Majesty car and motorcycle rental. So yun. So for today's vlog, gagawa tayo ng isang adventure wherein we will be like a tourist in our own city. So I think I decided na to make this vlog dahil nga I think I need to experience first my own city bago ako umalis to try other different cities or different provinces here in the Philippines. So I hope you're going to like this vlog and see you later. Ciao. So ayun, so I hope this vlog will be helpful sa mga uh, tourists going here in Bacolod City. So, yun nga, to start the adventure, punta muna tayo dun sa Majesty uh, car and motorcycle rental. So, yun, I've decided na instead of driving a car, magre-rent ako ng scooter. Yun, before starting a travel or a trip in a specific area, I think it's much better for you to know the weather for the whole day. So, before I uh, made a decision to make a adventure today, so nag-check muna ako ng weather forecast. So the weather right now is currently 32 degrees Celsius and it will be partly cloudy around the area. So until it will be in the afternoon. So yung pinaka biggest uh, temperature niya is around 34 degrees. So sobrang init. So better you uh, bring your own sunblock. Huwag mawawala yun. And then, yun. So guys, so this trip cost me around only 157 pesos. And yan, i-breakdown natin lahat ng expenses natin for today's adventure. So, ngayon, nakagastos na tayo ng 157 for the trip from my house to Majesty car and motorcycle rental. So, I hope we can choose a very good scooter para sa adventure today. So, see ya. So, yun, nakababa na tayo and I'm going to call this rental services. So guys, I forgot also to mention that you need to bring your own bottled water para hindi natin gagastos bibili sa labas. Yeah, so I found it. Yay! So, the name was... It is just located at the back of Condotel. MLT Majesty Car and Motorcycle Rental. So, ko alam kung sino yung kakausapin ko dito. Balay! So, ayun. So, ha? 3 days. 3 days? So, let's go dito sa... Dito tayo sa... Ito ata yung mga nirerenta nilang mga unit, including cars and motorcycle. So, this is the area. And, yun. Gosh, haggard ko na. So, haggard. Ang init. So, good thing that uh, meron tayong ano nga, bottled water. Morning.
Motor siya.
Sir, gawabaton ka lang Gcash?
Kaya,
Ay, salamat.
3 days. Ano na to?
Year. So guys, we're going to sign some details. I make a contract for 3 days. I'm going to rent this motorcycle for 3 days. So
Ito ako. Ito ako parang.
this is the form and how it looks like. Okay, ito.
Promise?
Baliwan ba?
14.
One bar lang sir. Pagbalik mo, wala na.
1 bar. Sige. Ano niya gasoline, boss?
Maski unleaded lang.
Unleaded. Ayambal ko lang. Biskan ano nga Petron, Shell. Sa Petron, okay.
Petron, pwede. Shell, pwede. Sa PP, tayo lang ito medyo mas
Ano po?
mga presyo.
Sige.
Kaya karoon, grabe na kamahal.
Ah,
Unleaded lang.
unleaded.
Kung sendin ka nga station.
Oo.
Oo, wala na sa problema.
Okay. Ang papers niya, boss, ano na sa
Para na na,
Okay.
ni siya pag open ni siya mo.
Oo.
Ang month ago o 2 months ago ko lang ni siya.
Oo.
So, daw may certification lang na siya. Huwag pa na siya sa linya o RCR.
Okay. Pero ara lang sa sulod nga pwede ko
Sa
ipakita.
box.
Ipakita ko lang. Sige, sige.
Tapos may helmet.
Amo, sir, mahulam ko, sir.
Oo,
Amo lang ng working helmet.
Yes. Sir.
Thank you. I-check ko danay sir kung ga-work ang mga ano. Dahil lang bilin ko lang di danay. Okay. So guys, let's go check the unit. So first and foremost, if magre-rent ka ng motorcycle, first check the unit if there are some damages na. So sabi ng may-ari is just like 2 months ago pa lang to na-release. So right now I'm going to check the lights. Of course, also the how much fuel inside. Kasi if you are going to rent, you are going to bring it back again sa ganung status ng bar ng fuel niya. Ibabalik mo rin siya. So, yun. So, we have the fuel, the lights. We will check if it's working and also the horn. So, let's go. Malaki-laki pala tong Mio gear. So let's check. So, yan, check na natin si Isa.
Paon ka ng side stand.
Substand.
Ano yun siya? Pero i-break mo din siya before mo siya. Tapos nakakain na siya. Ano siya? So, pero siya. Muna na sa loob. Stay high yan. Siya. Long. Okay.
So, before anything else to drive, dapat meron kayong driver license ha. So, uh, don't ever go drive without a driver license. So, in my case, meron tayong driver license. Let's go. Ready? Here we go. Yay! At last, we're starting our Bacolod adventure. So, yun. I just can't believe na, I decided to make it today without any plans. But I think it was much better na nakaplano tong vlog na to. But it's much better na spontaneous yung dating natin. Like a tourist, spontaneous talaga. So, let's go. So, dahan-dahan lang tayo ngayon sa road. Even though that it's not traffic. So time check tayo ngayon. It's already past 12 noon time. At ngayon pupunta tayo to take fuel kasi nga paubos na yung fuel natin. So I really don't know, even though that how many years na ako dito sa Bacolod, but I still don't know. I think I'm almost 10 years living here at Bacolod City. But I still don't know the main road. I mean, the main roads I knew, but not all of them. Yung mga iskinita na lang, yun sabi. Yan, di ko pa masyado familiar yung mga dito, mga iskinita or just the little roads. So, I just can't believe that I'm having an adventure right now. I'm so happy. And yeah, so after natin mag-gasoline or mag-fuel, let's decide which cafe muna yung pupuntahan natin. So, umupo muna tayo. Let's just take a break for 1 minute and then let's decide where will be our first coffee shop to visit. So, I have here someone told me na there is a local coffee shop near sa Ruins. So, as you may not know, Ruins is one of the famous tourist spot here also in Bacolod City. Before the Ruins, there is a coffee shop, local coffee shop there, and they called it Traktora. So, Traktora. So, we will Traktor. So, sorry. So, it's called Tractor Cafe. So, sinesearch ko nga siya ngayon sa Google Map. So, it is a 15 minutes drive and open siya ngayon. And it shows here from weekdays until Sunday open sila. So, weekdays they open 11 o'clock until 21 local time, 2100 local time, and then Saturday, Sunday, it's 8 o'clock to 2200. That's already 10 p.m. So, check natin kung how much distance yung natin dito. So, here sa Google Map, so in Tractor Cafe, you will just going to spend around 500 to 1,000 pesos. Pero in case sa akin, I will just ordered coffee lang for this adventure. for this cafe hopping. So order tayo mamaya. Huh. So it's not quite. So it says here also 2 p.m. It's not, it's less busy than usual. So yeah. So let's check their menus and prices. So let's go. So dito na tayo sa labas ng Ayala Capital, Bacolod. Lalagay muna tayo ng protector natin kasi sobrang init. Let's go, guys. This is Ayala Capital. Ayala Capital, Bacolod. Ayala Malls. So, so we are here at the ruins. So, open daily from 8 a.m. to 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. So, let's go check inside. So, guys, I only have 60% battery. And let's check if makaka-charge tayo sa loob. So, we're currently here in the ruins. So, time check. It's already 14:41. So, it's the afternoon and the heat is still hitting. So, let's check what's inside. Let me pull up first my wallet. Natin mag sa loob. So we're here at the entrance. Okay. So entrance fee is 150. So have it also here, and there are some rules and regulations inside. So no flying of drones, smoking, food, beverage, and drinks. Same also what's here. So let's go inside and check. Good afternoon. Where am I going? It's open. Hi. One adult. Yeah.
That would be 150 pesos.
150 pesos. So let's check if still I have a cash. Do you accept ma'am? GCash? Only cash. Okay. So guys, they only accept here cash, so better have cash on your pocket or on your wallet. So they don't accept e-wallets payment, only cash. Thank you. So I have the receipt and I have the change, so let's go check inside. Ganda. So honestly it's already my second time coming back here, and the first time was, I think it was way back 2014 if I'm not mistaken. So hindi pa ako sumasakay ng barko noon, so wala pa akong budget to to do this vlogging mode. So yeah, so after the entrance you just need to walk inside. So I just parked my my motor outside. So here you can see already the building ruins. Wow, it's really good. Ah. And I think there's an event here. I think they offer some refreshments also here. Let's check. Pero hindi ako bibili dito ng ah, coffee. Doon tayo sa Tractor Cafe. I will just check what's inside if may nagbago ba. They have it always this fountain. This is the fountain pala guys. Sa one of the ad, ads, I don't know. One of the tourist spot dito. One of the highlights of the ruins is this fountain also. And this is the building. Ruins. Wow. And ngayon, trick-trick yung araw, dito tayo sa gitna. So, let's just meet. There are some tourists also. There are some people out here. Mostly kids nakikita ko. So, so this is the ruins. And this is the famous fountain that we always saw sa mga ads when you are going to travel in Bacolod City. So, ina-highlight talaga nila yung ruins na one of best spot to visit. Wow. And ngayon, I'm so happy na nakapag-vlog ako ngayon dito sa ruins. I have the gear. I have the budget already. And thank God na I was able to experience this, you know. Na like you can travel even local na without any restrictions like the budget one. Pero syempre kailangan pa rin natin magtipid. But in contrast, yung nakakapaggala ako na without worrying the budget or money. So yun, so happy. So this is the wide angle view from the ruins. Pumunta ako dito without any plans, and di ako makapag-share what's the history about the ruins. So sorry guys. So maybe i-ano ko na lang siya, i-voice over. So yun. So basahin natin to. There is a one monument here. I don't know if it's monument, how they call this one, comment below. So the ruins of the mansion of Don Mariano Ledesma Lacson was built in loving memory of his deceased wife Maria Braga after her death in 1911. So the mansion of Italianate architecture was designed to be a monument of their enduring love affair. In the eve of World War II in 1942, the mansion was torched by the guerrilla fighters and was burning for 3 days, leaving behind reminders of a glorious past. And this is now the ruins. Wow. Wow. So let's go here sa fountain nila. Wide angle shots. Wow. Wow. So yung fountain is so majestic. So I think it's much better to come here around 5 p.m. or 4 p.m. in the afternoon. Kasi nga, hindi na mainit. Actually here in front sa ruins, the ruins building. So it's, yeah. So I'm just sitting down in the grass, making some good angle views. Grabing init guys. So I just wanted all to show you also some amenities. So I think they have this small restaurant here. I think it's working uh, nighttime, if I'm not mistaken. So here. So they have this little restaurant. Also here, a little train. So some post. Let's do some. Wow. And they have this really cool music sa little resto nila. So I think there is like an event na during nighttime. I don't know if they are open right now. Wow. Just like, wow. It's really good. Sabayan pa ng music. They have. So they have this menu out here. So this is like a small resto siguro. But I don't know if it's serving right now. But I think it's serving around 5 p.m. So the name was the Piazza Restaurant. So they serve pizzas, pasta, soup, and also coffee. Gusto ko na mag-coffee pero I want to try the Tractor Cafe, which is our plan na i-experience. And they have drinks, bottled water, soda, dessert, chocolate cake, and a lot more. So, hindi tayo mag-order ngayon dito. So, we will just order, kasi katabi lang nila yung Ruins and then after Tractor Cafe na. So, yeah. But it's really nice here. They have also vintage roots. Let's try to check. This cute well. Wow. Okay. It's like a man-made well. So this is their office. Ground. So this is the wide view ng Ruins Cafe. So they have these vintage roots. I don't know if it's open, and it looks good inside. I don't know if I can check it inside, but they have this little mini park, I can say, because there are tables here, colorful tables. Yan. And then they have this statue. Hello there, ma'am. Wow. Yo, it feels like I'm in a mansion talaga. You know, the nature vibe, the history. Grabe. Like, wow. So let's go come inside and let's check. Oh my gosh, the lighting here giving me a vintage. So even there is a painting over here. Sabi ng barista, so the beans were ordered. So they have their own, I don't know, logo, local cafe. And also they have it here at the back.